Hello and welcome back to these tutorials. Today in this video I'm going to explain how you can create a booking appointment system for your WordPress website using a third party is called Calendly. So I'm sure that you already heard about that, but Calendly is a really good schedule platform that you can get your customers going through your website and book a time with you, okay? You or your team. So this is really handy because they can schedule a time, and I'm going to explain how you can use this as a first time, right? And then you can embed that plugin or widget into your WordPress website. So follow me. This is first here. What you need to do is get started. You can create an account for free. You can do it with Google or Microsoft, or even you can use your email account. So you can go here, right, and click Google, right? I'm just gonna use my account and then create a new one. As you can see here, it will say you if you allow Calendly to link with your Google Calendar. So yes, if you want, it will be handy because then the appointments it will be going through your Google Calendar. Okay, so as you can see here, I already have my booking here, but you have this get started, which is you can go through the basics, which is just connect your calendar, connect your video conference if you want to use Google Meets, or you're going to use Zoom or any other platform that you can do video calls. It will be in here. Okay, so as you can see, you can use also Microsoft Teams. I'm just going to follow what is in these basics. Set your meeting location, set your hours availability, and then it will be pretty much done. Okay, so if you want to do something in branding and in terms of like calendar synchronization, it will be in here. And also on the left side, where I'm in here, you have the events types, schedule events, contact, workflow, routing, analytics. I'm not going to go deep because what I want to show you is how you can create this easily to start getting bookings for yourself or for your team. Okay, so we're just gonna go here. You have this booking is booking a time with me. I'm just gonna use it. Okay, and then here you have this widget, and I'm going to customize in order to use it on my website. So first thing that you can go in the left here, you have the event details. So I'm just gonna go through it, and then you got the event name. So whatever you want to put, book a time with me. You can use any. You can change that and probably put book 30 minutes, whatever. But it will be here the event name, the duration. It will be in there. So in here, it will be like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, so you can customize if you want more. And then the location. So here you can also, as I said, Zoom, phone call, in person, or you got more in there that you have Google Meets, Microsoft Teams, and these two more, Webex and GoToMeeting. So with that, you can go after the description. I tick the description here, and then, for instance, you can use that, book your appointment easily with Calendly, and it will be displaying in here. Okay, so all of this customization, you can use it. I mean, it's just to put the description, and also you can put a photo if you want. Okay, and you can see how that works. It will be that calendar, it will be linked through your Google Calendar. So that means if you book in some of these times, okay, so that it wouldn't display in between, so which is good because we already synchronized calendar. Okay, save and close, and then now we're gonna go through the next step, which is host and invites. It will be myself, but you can allow them to invite a guest if you want. If not, you can just check, and that's it. Save and close. Schedule settings. So in here it will be the date range. So if you wanna within a date range, you can put 60 days in advance, or maybe you can play around with that. Available hours, it will be so in here copy from, it will be if you have that with another system, but in here the work hours, it will be you can set this up. So here you go 9 to 5 from Monday to Friday, but you can specify this working hours. Okay, and then keep going. If you want to do events limit, so you can have a buffer. What I mean by buffer, if you have a time between after and before the consultation, you can get this gap to allow like 2, 3, 5 minutes after the meeting or before the meeting. Minimum notice, it will be to cancel the appointment for hours. Daily limit is not set, but in here it will be set maximum events allowed per day. So you can do that as well. The time zone and the start limit. So let's gonna keep going. And then you just do that, save and continue. And then we're gonna go for the booking page options. So in here, you can put the name of the link, right? So as you can see, you have this, that it will be your calendar or your appointment. And then that inside, it will be like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or you can change the name as you want, but that it will be the event link, okay? Booking a form, and booking form, it will be what information you can also get when someone is booking a time with you. So if you want to have, like, for instance, name and email, or you want to have first name and last name, I think that it's a mandatory field. As you can see here is a log, but you can also allow invites to other guests. So you can put here off or on. And then add another questions. Please share anything with help prepare for our meeting. So you can go and add a question. So as you can see here, let's gonna see what questions. You can add a type questions that you have one line, multiple lines, ready buttons, check boxes, and drop downs, also a phone number. And then you can put that as a required, and then you can just go ahead. So obviously we're not gonna have anything in here, but also another thing which is good is you can collect payments on the form, but for that you need to upgrade the account, so not with the free version, but in here you can collect payments. So those payments, it will be taken by a Stripe or PayPal to your Calendly account. Okay, so you just need to have the integration, and then you can just get paid. What I mean is by that, when someone wants to schedule a time with you, with your team, right, they will need to pay the amount of you decide. Okay, so confirmation page, if you want them to, after confirmation, send them to a specific page, like a thank you page or confirmation page, it will be in here, or just a display calendar confirmation page, which is also you in a bit once you once we do a test as a confirmation page. Okay, links on a confirmation. So schedule another event if you want to schedule another event. If not, that's fine. So we're just gonna save and close. So, and the last bit is here in communications. If we want to send a communications after calendar invitation, so it will be a calendar. So you can go here and edit and put a calendar invitation that you share the invitation with your customer. And let me see what else do we have in here. Email reminder, which is good. Text reminders and email follow-up, so that it will be after the communications. So after the booking, you have an email follow-up or text reminders as SMS. Okay, and the email reminder will be 24 hours before, but I'm sure that you can customize that as depends what the time. Okay, 24, or well, depends what you want, maybe an hour before. Okay, so in here, once it's done, we just need to save and close. Okay, and now I'm gonna do the most important thing here is how you can get this link or this widget into your website. You can do that now. You have this, you save, okay, but it's also an option, right? So once it's saved, we're going back. Once it's done, you can go here, right, and then copy the link, and then you can share it with someone. Okay, but if you want to embed that into your website, you have this here, share, booking a time with me. And now what we're going to do is you can copy that and send. As I said, you can add that to your email, or you can go here and then say add to the website. So if we add into your website, is you have three options as a pop-up text, or inline embed. So let's gonna use that one. Okay, as you can see here, and on all of these three, you will have this code HTML. Okay, and here you have some options in terms of the customization, the background color, the text color, and the button. If you want to change those colors in here, you can change the colors. But the most important thing is here, you're gonna have the widget. So copy this code, okay, click here, copy the code, but you can just go and copy it. Now we're going through your website. So if you have a WordPress website, okay, wherever you want to put or paste that or put that widget, you just need to go here. I'm just gonna do it with Elementor, okay? So now we just access to the Elementor, and now I'm gonna put like the booking system, okay? So you can put it here, for instance, about, and I'm gonna put it after the about, just create, let me see here, a section. And then I'm gonna get add plus flex, and I'm gonna add a new section. In that section, if you go here, which is this widgets or elements, you're gonna look for code. You can put this shortcode, but we're gonna use the HTML code. Okay, so widget, you just drag this in, and that's it. So in here we say HTML code, you just need to go paste. So we just copy it from the calendar, and as you can see, it's here. Okay, so now what we need to do is just gonna go and preview how is this display. Obviously I need to save first. Okay, so I'm just gonna save, and then in here, okay, you see you have your website, and now you have this booking widget. So now your clients or your customers can go through your website, okay, and then book a time. So remember that time frames is linked to your calendar, so they can book a time with you. I'm just going to do a text here, and that is really helpful because imagine that you do consulting, or you have any clinic or appointment or whatever you want to do for your services. You can have this into your website that your clients, customers can book a time with you. So I'm just going to put here a test, for instance, right, Emilio, and then your email account, right, test@test.com, and then here you have all the entered details, and then a scheduled event. So once you do that, that's it. So you are scheduled, and now I will receive an appointment on my calendar. Then now I can just schedule more and more, so for my clients. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.